Tibetan country is much more larger than before, sometimes before.
Ya singe lo ju ni je ba ni nge de she tu ma re shin jan na ni de wa ja she shun ne ji chan no do ji es.
The Dhammapada is actually real, deeply is not now explained. His owners can't read, but he is the emanation of the Vajrapana.
These are Sanje Tung
the from the 1,000 Buddhas, he is the Sanje Myopan Hangze. No, that is the last Buddha of the from 1,000. When he degenerate of the bodhicitta, he says, however, before Buddha, 999 Buddhas, however they did action of the Buddha, also he says he will do those actions are. He started these generated bodhicitta before Buddha's Rinchen Hingpo, with the essence of the pure. So he started there, and since then he used of the merit, and then he did, and also closely history. If you think about this, in our country there are Potun Rinchen, means great Mahasiddha of the Tibetan. He is also Dhammapada. Before that, in India, he was the great master of the Mahasiddha of Mewapa. His name is Mewapa.
Mewapa the Gumadan Ju, Toshin Shada, Kerushim, Pendita, Shada Chicken, I just research. And on the June, Georgia Bada Adisha. At that time, to Chimbawapa's time, in India there are very large monastery or monastic in India, and at that time there are many monks, ordinary monks, and also spiritually also the scholar of the Buddhism. There are 500 together one place, and at that time, then the Atisha was the proud is the leader of those monks. At that time, Mewapa was there in that monastery, and he is also one of the great scholars. And at that time, he kept it, and then small bottle of the wine, one for that, one for the Tso, Tso offering. You know, there's someone lost. So for the Tso offering, commitment of the tantra. Therefore, he kept that. That is when he kept that small bottle of the wine, the Atisha saw them from him, Mewapa. Then Atisha says he is the leader of those monks. Therefore, Atisha says, "Oh, you cannot stay in the monastery. You have to keep away from the monastery because you keep the wine in the monastery. Therefore, you have to go." Then he told to Atisha, "This is not heard
to me.
Children never married the Jamal never is. I watch Jamal to raise on Yaji, Major, you were able.
No.
Children never married the Jamal never, then we show
No. A teacher says, I know that it doesn't hurt you, but this one hurt for the others. Therefore, you have to leave from the monastery.
Then the yard, I'm under wings some. Hung never is the Dram Yamdi, Mapi, never is. Never good Mando Rungu Maria song. Who should it decay? Now you're not a transform. Now you're not a higher transform.
Then, during the monks together in the chanting hall, then he says, I'm the bad person, therefore I cannot go through the door, and I have to go upwards. Then he took his cushion and just sprung through the ceilings to go up in space.
Then the part, show Conga, show Conga, Samayo Mari, show Conga Conga, Rich, Mang Hammeris, Chuchuran Sobache, again, John Langa, and Chucheka Yachi, Chucheka Mache, Konosho Parimalevo, Chupu, Transform on the pen.
No.
To change it.
Then he went away, and then he reached Chokanga. Chokanga means very big river in India. He reached there, and by the river, he says, I'm the bad person, therefore, if I cross you, then you will be bad, therefore, better you just keep away from me. Then he told that one to the river, and then that time, this river is just completely open, and he can go through that way. Now, then he's keep way, and also then he also arrived the temple of the non-Buddhism temple. So he arrived there, and also that in that temple there, people the offerings sacrifice animals, many animals every day, almost every day, many animals killed there, and also offered to the God they got. Then he arrived there. He went to the inside of the temple, and also then he went to buy the structure of the god, and also he pushed away very strong, big strong structures, but he pushed away by his nail of the foot, and like they push away outside. Then those people, they very upset, and they cannot challenge with him, and also but people ask, please, would you like to put back into the temple? So we want this structure inside of the temple, please, to take back to there. Then they asked it to him. Then he says, I will take back to this structure inside of the temple, but you do need a commitment, something from you. I need it. What is the commitment? If you don't kill the animal and don't do sacrifice to this god, and also when you give an offering to this god by rice or any other food, if you do that, then I will take back into the temple. Inside of the temple, there are also the Dakinis of this non-Buddhism. They are also structure of that. Then he went to there, and also he chopped the head of the structure of the Dakinis. Then those Dakinis, that Dakinis head is absorbed into the body. There are no head. When
when heads go down into the body of the stone, stone body, then he, 2 ears, hold like each one hand, and also take up, bring back head to like normal. Since then, she had new names. As Nanjuma means Nanju means the hold from the ear. Therefore, so that's kind of she got name. Then in India, he teach the Dharma and also develop, means increase the Dharma. There's a lot of that he did, and after that, then he went to in Nepal. In Nepal, when he went to there, then he saw some Lama Tsendika. It was like a statue of the Lama Tsendika by stone, I think, statue. In that time, in Nepal, there are some people to check like look like mathematics like this is not proper side, the clairvoyance, something like this. They says do need the sacrifice animals. Shalom is trillions, billions. Trillion, you understand? Okay. That's kind of animal killed, and then do need sacrifice during the 3 years, within 3 years. If you don't do that, Nepalese government or people, then as a country has very bad opportunity or very bad happen. Then this Nepalese government they want to do, they have to do because of the country have to take care. Therefore, but they don't have that kind of animal. Children like this kind of animal, they don't have it. Then they think what we do, what we want to do. Then to Chimbawapa, he says, take it easy. So I have idea, and does he need children like animals? Does he need then like sesame seed, black sesame seed? You know, this kelja means hundreds of bags. You know, sesame seeds bread.
And the Jesse Jan, Jesse Tabano, Fugio, Memambogi Jerio, Jedi, Lamus Enduka, Ranju, Kennedy, Dog Good, Jesse Tabana Lady. How we take a load of wood, they related in the gentle, Ratan load of the soldier, shut out the journey. And Senduka, they cannot shouldn't rule over the Memambogi Jesse.
That's the Nepalese government needs to sacrifice to Lama Tsendaka, and then he. To Chimbawapa gave him tel into the fire, fire butcher. That time, some people can see, or some people saw them. Lama Tsendaka, she was in the fire. There's in the fire, and also when he gave sesame seed through his hand, then also they can see the animals look like animals, you know.
Or the regulation Brava Digman Yachimun Zen, Danya Mamushe Thomas. And the Congo Georgiuma, Yang said, 30 pension suggestions.
That's kind of
Jaraga to Shengen on the President McKinsey. That Juma pension suggestions have heard then they gave Kevanon. Gentlemen, Damola Gadi Chishu. Third said, pension suggestions have led to charity. Congo said.
This kind of Chimbawapa has a very high quality or high reputation of the Dharma's power, and then after that, then his generation, then in our country there's a Penchi Shaktisher, he is also reincarnation of the Mahasiddha and the Panchen Shakti. Also Panchen Shakti also very great scholar, not only scholars like a Mahasiddha of scholar, you can say that a very great one came.
Shacha Shiriki Koji Dine Mahadalanso Jumarang Ime Mission, Tayang Se Jini, Pudong Rishetru, Pudong Taji Chibu Rishetru.
After that, later, then also Pudong Rishetru was come up. Also generation of the 8 Shakti Sharits come down, then great scholar also Pudong Rishetru.
Rishetru Koji Jini, Tajeru Sigi, Lomatso Jiva. Nizi Java Jenis and Duaze Babe Java and Nizi the Chemewaji, Shuji is here. Nizi Java Jenis.
Pudong, when he left and also reincarnated, came back, then with it, during the same time, Lama Tsongkhapa, Jirambuche, and at that time, then Mahasiddha, great Mahasiddha, called like Nizi Java Jansi. He came up.
Java Jansi Kuji Yanse Nyabati. Then
Nizi Java Jansi also changed his life, and also then after that, then Panchen Suna Java.
Then Java Muchi, Tale Lama Sigri, Kuchin Sumba Suna Jazigi, Lamari, Uta Tsuhu Jike, Panchen Suna Java.
That's Panchen Suna Java is the teacher of the third of Dalai Lamas.
That he drove the Suna Ishe Umbu, Kavashu Jumari.
Panchen Suna Java, after Panchen Suna Java has good, very excellent quality and also very high reputation. And after that, then after that also Panchen Suna
Ishe Umbu.
Suna Ishe Umbu come out.
Suna Ishe Umbu Yanse de Java Jenser, Chuku Java Jenser.
Then Suna Ishe Umbu when left, and then after that, then the history incarnation of the Tukutapa Jansen.
Tukutapa Jansen, the Jawakutin Naba, the common Tona Gabu. Jenda Middle, Tukutapa Jansen, Gunu Chusunga, and Keva Chimbucha, Peshalusan Chujing Domari.
The Tukutapa Jansen is a very great scholar, and even he was 13 years old boy at that time, was a great scholar, and especially also learning, and everything is practicing, and also himself realization of himself clear, and also he teach it to the others also. And his guru is Panchen Losang Chujing.
Na Panchen Tukutapa Jansen, the Shitaki Keda Chimbucheni, the Leo Yinza, and Nejung Chujunge, Yama, Derby Sheju, Angal Melachi Budu, Melachi Ruchi, Derby Shachito, those you, the son. Love you, Koronga Rivadilla, Koronga Damasun, Suma, you will. Take Kedu, which he cherished in the summer year, Kedu, which can't Masumba, Kawaju. And you might have original Melachi Rus, a Puchi only. This should have been the Virgin that the Bekune Dribu, some of it on the Geshu, today is and Dribu, there we couldn't should the Sata to Serenon. I should have covered the Churl Rock with me, also.
Then, like during the Lama Tsongkhapa's time, and also Nation Chöshon means the government protector, that's Nation Chöshon. He didn't show his real forms, but he to make emanation of the one young boy, and he went to the most of the time, many times, coming to the Lama Tsongkhapa place with the disciple Lama Tsongkhapa and with the disciple of Lama Tsongkhapa together. Then he went to he goes there, and he asked like this, I do need helpers. I don't need helpers. Who can do it? He asked it, but nobody says yes. Many times it is nobody says I do it, and nobody said that. Then one day, then the Nizi Java Jansi is the from the round of this Lama Tsongkhapa, which is staying that time. He is the oldest
and then he think, oh, now this boy is many times coming, and then he says, I will help you, I will help to you.
What do you then in that salon and the last one?
No. Then that boy says, when Luzi Trabajan says, I will help you, I do it, said that. At that time, that small boy says, that is, yeah, you don't forget that one, you told me that you don't forget. So he said, and then that small boy disappeared.
And the Loma Muchimbaria and Java Putin Tambo, Ginu Truba, Jerumichil, Homari, Kutiniba Ginu Jasuri, Jerumishin Jayo Mari, Kutin Sumba Musuna Jasuri, and the Suna Tabe, Homari, Kutin Shiba Yune Jasuri. That Kutin about Javalosan Jasutula, and Pension Jashin Shunin in the Jogutavajin. Jogutavaj, Hajaki Kevachimuche. Yarushil Hala, Taruchani, and Geda Shida, Jedid, Division told Marani. Did you mother this is on
At that time, then this pair, this boy, and then that is the time of the Lama Tsongkhapa, and since then the Dalai Lama, first Dalai Lama is the Javagindu Trup, he is the disciple of the Lama Tsongkhapa directly. And since then, to Dalai Lama second, third, fourth, fifth Dalai Lama, also 5 generations after, then Tuk Traba Jansi came. The Tuk Traba Jansi is during the Lama Tsongkhapa's time, he is the Duzi Traba Jansi. He was there. Then 5th Dalai Lama's time, he came, and his name is the Tuk Traba Jansi.
I just saw the Jogutavajis and Nejun, Lapesan, the Nejunge, Chirangama Kenet, I just remember shows.
Then one day, Jogutava Jansi went to the oracle. Was nations coming through the oracle, and also people can talk, and also then one day, Jogutava Jansi, he went to there, and also during the nation with the oracle, and the nation asked, do you remember which you did promise to me? Do you remember that? Then Jogutava Jansi said, I don't remember.
I nation get a woman doing those who send Rugil of Nadia Jebber. And party Timothy on those Ania, Gamma for the Roger, Kelen and those, Tivaku, we are immersed and temporary.
Then Jogutava Jansi says, I don't remember, told to the nation. Then nation gave some barley, or some barley which they gave to Jogutava Jansi. You take this and also burn the barley and also smell in your nose, and then you will remember. Told. Then also Jogutava Jansi go back to his place and also burn those barleys, and then he remembered. And before nation was emanation of the small boy, and also he wanted to help us. Then he remembers his whole history.
Nation get Hagi no mit Dangje Dojileva. What is Jogutava Jansi Lamanzo, Sergi Shamakan, the Wooden Senani, Jerumichi Temba de Haka. Temazing Chron let have a window. Manzu that Temba the Pendo in Chron, Chirogo Jibotos, and you think we don't.
No. Then he remembers, and then he think, oh, now I do need to show the form of the Dhammapala, he thought. And after that was also, then he said the nation, the Tamchi Doji Likpa is another protector of the Dharma, was very powerful. Then he says also, he told to Jogutava Jansi, now in this time now is like a Veda Dharma, pure, holding and also this is the system of the Lama Tsongkhapa, that is like a gold, like gold. And also you are the, also if you become a protector of that, then you will be its best one. You are the best protector of the Lama Tsongkhapa system of teaching.
Then I show you to go to Abajin, Tanja the Tringu, the Mother Jim do Jata, Trivaku Jimbola Jendo, which is Shadu, Yawaji Shana, enemy, but they wish in Finland. Says I show his wheel, who long to wheel. Him induce to go to Abajin, who long you can name. And which wrong on the Rasaya dish, Jane as so.
Then next time also, then he went to the nation, when his nation coming to the oracle. It's also he tell, yeah, I will become to take form of the Dharma Palace, but I don't need, I don't have cost of that. Say he told, what is the cost of that? Then his son says also somebody also to make anger or something to bad action to have to do to him. Then that's the cost of the become to be to taking form of the Dhammapala. Therefore, he told that is I don't have that kind of problem. Then Nishun says, you will stay in Lhasa, go into the Lhasa, then I will make a cost of that. Nishun told to the Tukutava Jansi.
Tukutava Jansi, that's a shoe, make Angaya, that's a jeju, Matse Buddha, Javu Shijeru, show me. Yeah, that's a Jagama told the Bemini, but Langa Chil, Yaman Yense. Teachers and this is just Tado.
Then what Nishun told to the Tukutava Jansi, just like that Tukutava Jansi, then he went to the Lhasa. The Lhasa is the capital of Tibet. He's staying there, and then since then, when he's staying in Lhasa, the people, Tibetan people, local people, or from long distance, or coming to there and also see him, his reputation is much higher than his own Dalai Lama at that time. Therefore, one of the attending of the Dalai Lama, this is Sanjay Jalso. He angry and he mad, and then they try to kill the Tukutava Jansi.
That Tukutava Jansi, that in Elu Mamuyo, and she Mugoy, Troya that Jessica. Troni, Tukutava Jansi, Yor Mabala Mayoche, Nengan Adios, Yamava Tukutava Jansi, Andrew Wilson. Then you know the Geo, Nasam Gogris, Sani Maton, they were the two. Troni, Kuduja, that is Mamuyo, that under image of Kudu Juvito. No, you met on it, to all the Katu, Jason Danya, the Kati.
Then those are attendants of Dalai Lama, fifth Dalai Lama. So this is Sanjay, he killed the Tukutava Jansi. And then, but he saw the Dalai Lama doesn't know anything. No. Then this attendant of Dalai Lamas, he told to his son, the Dalai Lama, Tukutava Jansi now sick, very badly sick, he told. Then his own Dalai Lama says, if he is sick, I want to go to there, and also I want to see him, he told. Then he says, this is Sanjay Jaswami, he says, oh, you cannot go there, his son, please you don't go, because his sickness is a very disease, very bad disease, also catch you, then no good for you, please don't go. And make stop to go there, and then other side, then that's Tukutava Jansi killed and also burned his body. When he burned his body, then very special smoke with the rainbows together. Rainbow and the smoke is together, just like a pellet, straight in the space. Just it's very long one. Cannot measure like that kind of.
You know, come to the Tibet, what Yadu fed to them, cross the Jordan, me show the son of the village, show the no Dutch Hadu Kabus and the Koran to others, Neja Jeremy. And to other man who you want the city on the chin, Tamal Paches, and it's somebody place, sit about the child. Then it's a position.
Then there's rainbow and a smoke mixture, straight in the sky. Space go up, and then that time the his attending of the Tukutava Jansi very upset. He think, oh, now so people is doing very bad to him, kill, and also everything is very bad action to do to him. But he don't think about those, and he goes straight up to the pure land. Look like he going up straight pure land. That's he doesn't like it, and also why don't you do anything? Go straight. That's where his robes hit the smoking, and then smoke is coming down. Then does it go up and come down to the earth, and the whole area. So then this smoke with the rainbows just like a foggy on the ground, just like that come up.
That's what is in the Melo Zomira Tongo Senice, the Amabo Koran, Lamachina, Radon Hanaba, Anaya Kamaba, Rojita, which is in zero, which is the Laka, Dungibe, Tajuji, Jesita, Sicila, Mamucha, Suchigala Manima, and Tamale, the other which then so much. Then he started then become taking lot of poem, and then very popular one. Then he went to the Sangpur from Lhasa went to Sangpur. Sangpur means from Lhasa to the other side of the maybe it's one place called Sangpur. There are also protector called Setapa. This is the college of Setapa. Then he went to there and he's staying there. Chujudi Sumala Su, Devishunge, Danfonja, Tasala, Chujunga Danfonja, Chetaju. They want to know for the knowledge of Gutula, Yigichimuchi, Pensi, Gioli. The Anani Chujun Koran the Bear, Yansad of the Transin Singing, Fairly Wall of Prayer, Gayum, Jana for Menashabachi, the Rega Ponisha, Mamuchu. Then says them many different kinds of them. Signs very popular. It's very strange, this country, in our country, many different kinds of sign, very popular one. Everybody afraid, and also really great powerful the sign up. Then he picks Dalai Lama. They try to make a burn through the fire pucha, and very great ones like his own Dalai Lama, Kamapa, Dojita, and those many kinds of Ganing Harampa, and those powerful lamas try to make a burn with a fire pucha, but they cannot burn anything, nothing do, cannot do anything, and was powerful. Therefore, then they knew that, and then after that they put now you are the protector, and to make the protector. Then Doji Shunde, and since then also from the Chinese king like that time also his great name is Dhammapala. Therefore many different places also, even China, they sent many different kinds of offerings to Dhammapala, and also those kind of Dhammapala has. Then so much Onshu the Saja Maria. Lamar Shenwaje Singaji Chabiti told on Rio. Porujin the Shenwaje Chabit told on the Jewish. Bishop Prayer. Since then, very powerful protector, and a very powerful and great quality protector. Therefore, then Song means the initiation of the Jashin. Since then came. Then Lama when they given the initiation of the Dhammapala, that blessing of Dhammapala, through the text by Lama Rinchen Wangjal. But then sometimes that's also that's text lost. Double Dojang Karon, Karjochu. Karon Bama Shoda, Double Dojang La Shuni, Lone Dojang, Jake Honga, Double Dojang, Shoga Nabu, Toran was secretary, the Gadi, you question the Jeruj on the fair, Jeruj the Shrion, and Jeruj. Since then, they lost that text, and then people, even high level teachers, they couldn't get the initiation of Dhammapala. Then now Shaji Pongkapa's time, and also Tapu Doji Chang, Tapu Doji Shaji Pongkapa,
Tapu Doji Chan, very great Mahasiddha. He is a really great, extremely great Mahasiddha. And then Shaji Pongkapa asked to Tapu Doji Chan, please try to get the initiation of the Dhammapala, because we need asking. And then Tapu Doji Chan, he went to the Tushta Hebi, because Lama Tsongkhapa is there now. And he went to Tushta Hebi, and also he see the Lama Tsongkhapa, and also then get the initiation of the Dhammapala from Lama Tsongkhapa's two different kinds of initiations. Tapu Doji Chan got it.
Tapu Doji Chan, Lama Doji Chan, Hong Kong, which is no yours.
Then from the Lama Tsongkhapa giving this initiation to the Tapu Doji Chan, Tapu Doji Chan gave initiation to the Shaji Pongkapa.
Lama Doji Chan, Hong Kong, which is no.
Then Shaji Pongkapa gave this initiation to the Shaji Chujang Doji Chan. Then from the Shaji Chujang Doji Chan, then our scholars, our Guru Shaji Sonrumuchi, he get three times, about 3 times. Then since then to Gurus, it's four generations. Four generations.
Tapu Doji Chan, Jerez, the Jew, the Pearl used to try the Lamachino.
The Tapu Doji Chan is the great Mahasiddha of the Tibetans. That is the everybody knows, just general. So everybody knows he is the greater, because structures also talking to him, and even like this, and also normally Tara and himself like a person each other talking each other, just like this kind of hazard. Shaji Pongkapa is great Mahasiddha, and a long time before his long history, and also in this time also, the great action of the Dhamma is increasing, and also make develop, and the whole in our country, Tibet country, he giving teachings and also develop Dharma very kind for us, did, and also he is the emanation of the then Kolo Dencho, Mr. Charasambhara. He is the real Charasambhara. His son says also then, and those kind of you have the greatest to great our teacher, great Mahasiddhas. Through that way the initiations came, and also we got it. And if you want to know about detail of those real, if you want to know, then it has text book. Then now his Holiness mentioned one textbook I had it, because through his Holiness this times I got it, and also maybe is I can make a Xerox for you, and also you will have center here and in other centers. Therefore, if you want to learn, you learn from them, from your teacher. The commentary of this text is now put printing in India. Also, if you want it, you can get it. It's Geshe-la mentioned, his Holiness mentioned to where is that. No.